Hi! Droplets is a new easy way to apply scripts. Look, I just select some images in my file manager and drag them onto Illustration Droplet. The script illustration has been applied to each file. Now let's see how to create a droplet. I open the Scripts catalog, select a script in the list, click Droplet button, click Create button. To avoid cluttering the desktop, I make a separate folder for my droplets. I save the droplet, and now I can test it. I find the created droplet in the File Manager, drag the selected images onto the new Droplets icon, and it works. Okay, now I want another droplet to easily create identical square previews. I go to the Scripts catalog and run RoboCrop script. This dialog allows to specify the target image size. Let it be 200 by 200 pixels. Now I click the Droplet button on the RoboCrop dialog. To save the previews automatically, I choose this option, define a folder for the previews, click Create button, enter some descriptive name, and save the droplet. This time, I want to process all the images in the directory. So I select the entire folder and drag it onto the RoboCrop droplet. Now I go to the target directory and find the saved previews. Okay, let's consider a different approach. Some Elements Plus scripts combine multiple images to create a new one. So if I select a few photos and drag them onto, say, Film Strip All Droplet, the dropped photos are merged into a new image. Now let's create another droplet of this kind. I open the Scripts dialog and run File Piler script. This tool stacks multiple files in a single document as layers. I define some extra options if necessary. Click the Drop button and save the droplet. It's time to test it. I select some folder full of photos, drag it onto the new droplet, and here are the stacked files. Finished.